my goodness.
You do that?
Yes.
Where is it? Make his motherfucking outer space music.
Yeah.
Goodness. What's up, world? Real here, ReallikeUProductions. I'm at the Grand Incredible spot. You feel me? This is actually the first day, the first shoot of Piano in the Dark. Piano in the Dark, Grand Incredible 2010. Newburgh representing, you feel me? Louisville, Kentucky. That's what's up, the Midwest. That's how we do. We get down. Father Job.
Need to check 1, 2, do what it do.
Check 1, 2.
Yeah.
Do what it do. Get down here. We all trying to find ourselves. Some do it in school, others in a jail cell. That's right. And my pen yells, but the leaves fail. Now I'm stuck in autumn. Cold days waiting on me. But it's never been hotter than the summer of 2010.
Much more careful. Yeah.
Wait, talk to him.
This is it. The Grand Incredible O-N-E and Illusion, the place to be. I'm here with ReallikeUProductions and 1Nation all over the planet, all over the world. I am the O-N-E, and that's original no one equal. Yes, on that M-I-C-I-D. That baddest brother from the B-U-R-G. Brought up running game, if you understand me. Woo-ha!
Say, woo-ha! Grand Incredible, baby. ReallikeUProductions. 1Nation, you feel me?
Yes.
Okay, hold on. Let me get this close up real quick.
Making his outer space music.